So not only are there not many homes for sale, you know that there is a shortage of quality family homes. But I have a fantastic family home to show you, 39 Notchwood Court. That means you and your family will now have all that room to grow. Come on in. So hidden behind this gorgeous red maple is this huge front porch that comes off of the double wide interlock driveway with double car garage. Plenty of room to grow your toy collection. Welcome inside to this large home where there will also be room to grow those parties as well. There's also plenty of room to grow your formal furniture collection in this massive living room, leading into the formal dining room, looking out over the large yard and parkland behind. While there's still plenty of room to grow your culinary aptitude in this custom kitchen with dinette space, looking over more of that great green space behind. And just looking down from that kitchen is this cozy and warm family room with natural gas fireplace, hardwood floors, and also doors where you can go outside. Plenty of room to grow vegetables, or heck, add a pool. Now I know that growing families need some special rooms to keep the mud at bay. Might I invite you to the mudroom, beside the powder room, beside the main floor laundry. Now I'm going to show you the basement in a moment, but first we need to go upstairs, where you will find a great main bathroom updated with a skylight, offering a great room for the plants to grow, which services 2 really nice kids' bedrooms. Now, if you're looking for a room to grow the family, this is where the magic happens. And you have to check out the awesome ensuite bathroom. But if your family has grown a little bit too much and you need some more rooms, there's easily enough space here to add another bedroom in this massive finished basement with fireplace and 3-piece full bathroom. If storage is your thing, we have it. And if you need room to grow your collection of wine and or preserves, we have not only 1 cold cellar, but 2 cold cellars. And if that isn't a cellar, I don't know what is. And if you need even more room, we don't have a crawl space here. We have a full basement level. That's room for you. So I guess now you know you have room to grow your aspirations into a proper family home for you and your family and whoever else you care to visit. This is 39 Notchwood, and I'm Watty, Chestnut Park.